The Azores, an archipelago of 9 volcanic islands located in the northern Atlantic Ocean, are a true gem for travelers seeking breathtaking scenery and unique experiences. Famous for its stunning natural beauty, the Azores offer a variety of attractions that make them an ideal destination for tourism and travel. The landscapes of the Azores are truly remarkable. From stunning cliffs with ocean views to lush green valleys and crater lakes, each island offers its own unique scenery. The volcanic origin of the islands has created a unique terrain that is ideal for outdoor lovers and adventurers. The tourist flow in the Azores in recent years is growing steadily, as more and more people discover the charm of this remote paradise. Travelers can explore charming villages, stroll through dense forests, relax on pristine beaches, or take part in exciting water activities such as diving or whale watching. Each island of the Azores has its own unique charm and corners to visit. San Miguel is known for its lively capital, Ponta Delgada, and for its iconic landmarks, such as Lake Sete Citadish and the Furnas Valley. The island of Pico boasts the highest mountain peak of Portugal and vineyards from which the famous wine is made. Terceira Island offers a combination of history and natural beauty with the city of Angra do Heroísmo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and stunning coastal scenery. Whether you are looking for adventure or tranquility, the Azores provide unique opportunities to explore the wonders of nature. Not surprisingly, with its pristine scenery and warm hospitality, more and more travelers want to visit this charming archipelago.